In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore lost game progress in Monopoly Go. If you've been playing and suddenly noticed your progress is missing, don't worry. Follow along as we walk through a few simple steps to get you back on track in no time. First, let's start by opening the Monopoly Go app on your device. It's important to ensure that you're beginning from the home screen of the app. This is where our journey to restoring lost game progress begins. If the app isn't on your main screen, you can easily find it by searching for it in your app drawer or using the search function on your phone. Once you have the Monopoly Go app open, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper part of your screen where you'll spot a small three-dot icon. This is an important button to remember as it leads you to the app's settings, which is the next destination on our journey. So go ahead and tap on that icon. All right, now that we're in the settings section, it's time to dig a little deeper. Here, you need to look for an option that says Settings. It should be quite visible in the list of options presented to you. Tap on Settings, and you will move to another crucial part of the app that further controls your game experience. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Manage Account. This is your go-to section for handling anything related to your account. Tap this option to proceed. Once you're in the Manage Account section, it's of utmost importance to ensure that you're logged into the correct account, the one linked to your progress. This is where people often go astray, so take a moment to confirm that this is the right account you originally used. Double-checking your account details is a vital step. If the email or login credentials do not match your expectations or previous records, you might be logged into a different account. Solving this could involve either logging out and back in with the correct details or resetting your login information if needed. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you seamlessly restore your lost game progress in Monopoly Go. If, after trying these instructions, you're still experiencing issues, you might want to contact the app's support team for further assistance. They can provide specific solutions tailored to your situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope your game is back on track.